Day in the life as a chef on a yacht. We have a guest on board that's a bit congested, so I made a steam bath with boiling water and essential oils. For breakfast, I prepared some cottage cheese with pumpkin seeds and a balsamic glaze and cheesy eggs with oatmeal. And Brian had an orange.
Nice. Did you get that on camera?
I set the table for breakfast and called the guests to the table. Headed down to the hold to get some proteins and then saw this. It reminded me of the Pirates of the Caribbean ride at Disney World. I brought the frozen chicken breast back up to the galley and then started working on lunch prep. I'm making salmon poke bowls. Sliced up my cucumber and my cabbage, and cubed up my sushi-grade salmon. Did you know that you can make your salmon sushi-grade just by freezing it for at least 7 days? By freezing it, you'll kill off the parasites. I seasoned my rice with sugar, salt, and rice vinegar to make it into sushi rice. And plated it up with sushi rice, seaweed salad, corn, edamame, cucumbers, and radish. Finish it by drizzling some spicy mayo and eel sauce. Eel sauce is made by simply reducing soy sauce, sugar, and rice vinegar. Lunch is served. Bye, little chef. Day in the life as a chef on a yacht. Tonight for dinner, I'm making a creamy Dijon chicken. For my cream sauce, I threw in some butter, cream, Dijon mustard, and rosemary. Then moved on to butterflying my chicken and marinating it with oil, spices, herbs, and lots of salt to help tenderize it. For cocktail hour, I'm making mussels with a garlic white wine sauce. I'll serve the appetizer with some crostini and white wine up on the deck. For dessert tonight, I'm making cream puffs. Cream puffs are made from a pâte à choux dough, and pâte à choux doughs have a lot of moisture in them. So when you bake these, the water turns to steam, and that's what creates that hollow center. Once the cream puffs cooled, I filled them with a mixture of pudding and whipped cream. Guests were getting hungry, so I started cooking off dinner. Seared off my chicken, boiled my pasta, and steamed my green beans. Plated up my dish, spooned on a little bit of that creamy Dijon sauce, and garnished with parsley. Set the table for dinner, called the guests to the table and the crew to the galley to make their plates. Once the crew makes their plates, we'll head up to the bridge and we'll eat our dinner there. As the chef, I usually wait until after dinner service to eat. And lastly, for dessert, I sprinkled the cream puffs with powdered sugar and served them up. See you tomorrow. Bye, little chef. I just finished up with serving the guests breakfast, and I have a couple tasks to complete. So to make this fun, we're gonna go run our task together. Let's go. The guests should be finishing up with breakfast, so let's head back into the galley. I loaded up the dishes from breakfast and started the dishwasher, and dried my pots and pans and put them away. After cleaning, stopped for a little snack. You want a quarter of a sandwich? I'm making poke bowls for lunch, so I'm cooking some rice right now. And here's the view from my galley. Are you kidding me? P for poke. It's a poke party. Unloaded the clean dishes from the dishwasher and ate my lunch as the guests were eating theirs. Everyone say cheese. You don't look too happy. Third run of the day. It's only lunchtime. I just finished up with lunchtime and I'm chilling out on the upper patio. Thurston's standing in front of the fan. Are you Gina for the day? Hunchback at Notre Dame?
Yeah, shut up.
Trying to steal my rice.
Why?
Mine nicer than this.
Yeah, stop leaving your ugly towels in my galley. I'm eating my dinner, finally. And if you want to know my face routine because I have a glowing face, it's because I stand over a greasy stove all day. Thank you. Now I'm on the way to the hole. I gotta figure out what we're doing for dinner. Oh look, he's already down there. El Capitan? You down there? Here we go. Bye. Alright, we're looking for chicken. Okay, we need chicken breast. We're gonna do like a Dijon tarragon chicken, I think. That's the plan so far. Wait, you got the door to that hole open? What are you doing down there? That's a lot of meat. The chicken is stuck down there, so I'm using this crowbar that I found to get it out. Okay, success. We've got the chicken breast. Okay, now we need some tuna.
Come on.
We're all just gonna attack him at the same time.
Yeah, I think he's up on the back there.
No, he's right there.
Where is he?
Right there.
Oh, yeah. Gina!
She's taking her time. We're planning a snowball attack. Gina, do you want to be part of the snowball attack?
No, absolutely not.
Why?
I want to be attacked by snowball.
No, we're attacking Brian
Where is he?
out the back deck. We all have a snowball to throw.
I don't want to throw a snowball.
Mark
I'll
is gonna
follow
be
you guys.
Mark is gonna be upset. She said she's not gonna be a bully.
Huh?
She said she's not gonna be a bully, so we're going. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I see him. I'm gonna go this way.
What's that?
Where does the yacht dog use the restroom? So last year we tried to take a piece of artificial turf onto the yacht, but he would refuse to use it. So now we dinghy him into the island. When we're in a marina, it's a lot easier to take him out because we are attached to land, but when we're anchored, it's a bit harder. When we're anchored, the captain and the first mate wake up at 5:30 in the morning to take the dog to the beach. And this shuttle service will happen every 6 hours for the whole day. The only time Thurston really needs to hold it is when we're underway, and the longest we've been underway was for about 10 hours. The artificial turf is there for him to use, but he chooses not to. If I'm not busy in the galley, I'll head to the beach with the captain and stretch my legs for a bit. Thurston also loves playing with coconuts, so we'll play fetch with him. Thankfully, the dog does not get seasick, and he loves going on adventures, so he's the perfect yacht dog. Not only is this time great for Thurston to get some exercise, it's also great for the crew to kind of get away from the boat for a bit and relax. Bye, little chef.